Hello, this is Stephanie Swisher from Stephanie Swisher Art, and I would love to show you how to paint today. I would like to show you how to paint a cute heart with some little rose flowers and leaves on the inside. I think this would make a great painting that you could give to someone for Valentine's Day, or any occasion where you want to give a painting to someone you love. You will just need 4 colors: a blue, white, purple, and a red. But you can use any colors that you prefer. I chose to use blue. I am painting on a small 8 by 10 canvas, but if you prefer and you don't have a canvas, you can absolutely paint on paper. I painted my entire canvas blue. You can now hit the pause button to paint your own canvas blue or any color you prefer. Once you're finished, hit the play button. I am now choosing to take my white and go left and right, make little left and right swoops all the way from the top down to the bottom of your canvas, and it will give you some pretty white highlights to your blue color. Now you will want to let your canvas dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. Now it's time to move on to making our heart. You can choose to make a purple heart like I'm going to make, or if you prefer to use a different color, you can use a different color, such as a pretty pink. Now I'm going to make my right side of my heart. Now on to making the left side of my heart. I'm trying to now get my sides a little more even. You want to try to make your right and your left side the same size and as close to the same shape as you can get. I decided I wanted to lighten my purple paint up a little bit, so I added a little bit of the white to my purple. If you would like to lighten your color up that you're using, just add a little bit of white. Once you have the outsides of your heart made, go ahead and just take your paint and fill in the middle of the heart. Once the paint on the inside of your heart is blended in nicely to the canvas, you're going to want to let it dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. Now it's time to move on and make our cute little red flowers inside of our heart. I am using red. I'm using the red straight from my bottle. It's a nice bright red. To make these little flowers, I'm making some little swoops to the left, some little swoops to the right, kind of like little tiny 1/4 or half circles. If the way I am making them looks a little too difficult to you, you can start on the inside and then keep making circles going round and around until the flower gets the size that you would like. Now I'm going to make these flowers all within my circle, just leaving a little bit of distance in between each flower. Now I'm getting ready to speed my video up for a few minutes while I make these, but just remember you can always pause the video for as long as you need to make all your flowers on the inside of the heart. Once we have all of our roses made, now we're going to go back and take some white, mix it into our red, and it will make kind of a pinkish color now. And we're going to put this pretty pinkish color on top of our roses to make some pretty highlights, like when the sun hits a flower and it makes it look a little bit lighter. You can apply the pink color in the same technique that you used to apply your red color. You do just want to make sure there's a little bit of your darker red that you used at first peeking through. That way you can see some of the red and some of the pink when you look at your flowers. Now I'm going to speed the video up again, but just remember you can pause and take as long as you need to make your pretty pink on top of your flowers. Now I'm moving on to making leaves. I'm going to pick some of my flowers, especially places that have a little bit extra space in between them, and put some pretty green leaves. You do not have to do this part. It's just a part I decided to add at the end. Yours will look beautiful without the leaves, but if you would like to use the leaves, you'll just get a little bit of a green color, and you can just kind of watch how I shape the leaves. I start with a bit of a circle, and then I start to go down straight to make the tip end of the leaf. You just want to make sure that the green color you're using for this first layer is a darker green, because in a few minutes we will go back and add some white to our green to make a pretty lighter highlight green that we will put on top of the leaves. Once I have painted my lighter green highlight onto my leaves, I decide that I would like to get extra creative and grab a gold marker. You could use any color marker that you would like, and put some pretty little hearts in the corners. You can, of course, skip this part if you would like, because your heart already looks awesome just the way it is. And now I've decided to take that same gold marker and just trace along the outside edges of the heart. It will just make the heart stand out a little bit more. Now I'm going to take that same gold marker and make little gold highlights in the middle of the flowers. This is optional. You do not have to do it. Your flowers already look great as they are, but in case you want to be extra creative, this is a little extra step. Okay, we are finally done. You did a great job. You should be very proud of yourself. You can give this to someone you love or keep it for yourself. Follow along for more tutorials coming soon. See you next time.